Dear folks, so if you are new to our channel, we keep on posting content around freelancing, productivity, and solopreneurship. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and push that subscribe button to stay updated on your latest content. So today I'll be showing you how to set out of the office emails. So to set out of the office emails, you first have to log into your Gmail account. And once you log into your Gmail account, just click on the tab. So we are currently in settings. So let me just go out and show you how to do this. So yeah, as soon as you come in the settings, you have to scroll a bit down and then you will see vacation responder. So you just have to click, by default it would be turned off. So you just have to click vacation responder turned on, set the first date. So I just want it from 2nd of November, last date. So let's just select the last date to be 9th. So it automatically fetched from my message. So subject line, you can keep it as out of office. This is the sample email which I am using. So hi there, thank you for your email. I just wanted to let you know that I'm currently out of office, this, and during this time I won't be checking my email. And if you have something, it's just beneficial to reach out to Divanshu or Janvi. So this, and just save changes, and yeah, you are good to go. So this is how you can easily set up your out of the office emails. So do let me know how was it, and until then, do subscribe, and yeah, have a great day.